What's up? What's up? What's up? This your boy Zeke Dawg, and I'm back with another video. So I just showed y'all me walking this little trail up here. I probably could have went that way, but man, it's snow. It is snow. Do you want to build a snowman? That's all I can remember from the song. Something, something play. Oh, man. We gonna get in here. Yeah, yeah, get in here. Yeah, yeah. Alright, y'all, team, I'm in here, man. That gate almost closed on me. It's gotta be quicker than that. Man, this ice is icy. I got slide resistant boots on. My sister actually bought me these Columbia boots a couple years ago. And to me, they may actually be too nice to actually wear out here trucking, but hey, I'm gonna get that work put in and get some good use out of them. All right. I think this is a hazmat load. I'll be picking up like jet fuel or racing fuel, some kind of fuel. Oh. Wonder can you get a ticket for that? Hey man, I ain't do that. The snow did that. Mother Nature, or force of nature. I don't like this trailer, man. You think, man, they all the same? No, they not. They are not all the same. I can guarantee that. Check out this dock. See what kind of backing job I did. Okay. That looks pretty good right there. Yep. Yeah, like I said, I'm picking up some racing fuel, NASCAR fuel, Formula One fuel, redneck backyard racing fuel, all the fuel. If you want some high octane, that blue fuel, I got you, man. I'll plug you in on it. Alright, dog team, so I initially tried to get over here in the third bay right beside this black truck, but the ice kept sliding my rear end around. So maybe he's a better driver. He's in a daycare too. So he got, and then too, I was worried about the clearance on the other side, like the front. My wheels sliding off in the ice and stuff. Like, look at his wheels spinning. You just missed it, but like, yeah, his wheels are spinning. It's a patch of ice in the front, and there are patches of ice in the back. So normally, you plant those wheels and you pivot the trailer off the wheels, but in this instance, the rear wheels started sliding over toward this up. Man, he getting close. Man, he getting close. He gonna have to pull up. See his trailer, it keeps sliding over toward the other tractor. He may get it. It took me almost 15 minutes, and I just gave up and came over here to this easier hole because another driver pulled out, and I said, thank you, sir, for making it a lot easier on me. Now I'm worried about him hitting this ditch up here on the front and getting stuck. See, his wheel's still spinning. His front wheel, if you notice, they are spinning good. Yeah. So Big Dawg probably finna pull out, reassess it. Now you got that day cab, you really could blindside it in here and have better angles, I guess would be the verbiage, but XPO giving another shot. See, his wheel's still spinning. See, I locked in my rear diff, so I had all 8 wheels spinning on mine. But even when he's trying to hit the brake over here, he's still spinning. That ice, man, it's icing and trucking, bruh. I'm gonna just start planning on taking January off, and maybe parts of February. That may just be my vacation time right there. I'm gonna figure something out in this trucking thing, you know, in a little bit of time. I'm gonna figure it out. All right, now he got a better angle, because once you see how it, hold up, I'm gonna show you the slide on here. See if he gonna get out. I'll holler at him. Hey, it's a bad ice patch right there, man. I was trying to get in the hole at first, and my rear end kept doing what yours doing. It's sliding over toward that truck. Normally it pivots, but it ain't doing that shit. Alright, yeah, try to stay close on this side. If you get too close, I'll hit the horn. You got a radio in there? You got a CB in there? You got a CB in there? Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna help him out a little bit. See, Zeke Dawg be helping. Y'all try to say, oh, Zeke Dawg ain't helping. No, man. Zeke Dawg help. See, I'm watching this corner over here, his blind side for him. So he can see the other side. He good on this side, but it's when you start trying to readjust, now your wheels, see how everything is just sliding? It's like he's on his gas, but his wheels are still sliding. Yep, he in there. But see, his cab is shorter, which allows him to angle out more. Man, he made it happen. I'm glad he made it happen. Go give him a call, see if I pick up another subscriber, man. Today is the day I was planning on hitting 6,000 subscribers. I don't know if it's gonna happen by the end of the day, but this is what I was planning on doing today. Looking at my numbers, I was at 5,993, and I'm like, man, y'all don't get me over that hurdle. Let me go on hit. I'm actually dropping videos like every day. Go give him my card. Oh man, shit. Hey man, I got a YouTube channel. Check me out, man. There you go. Just over a year. Yeah, where you from, man? You want to give a shout out on the channel, on the channel, man? You on there now? Go on, holler at it. Where you from? So you from Illinois? Yeah. Where you are? So you live down here now? Oh, that's what's up. What's up? All right, man. Appreciate it.
I appreciate you.
All right. Don't be running from that camera. Zeke Dawg gonna make you look good, man. He did a great job getting there. I ain't gonna say I couldn't get in there. I just chose an easier hole. Oh man, that hole was too slippery over there. So, back to trucking. Oh man, oh, this load is pay $1,000, man, because I had to cancel like my other 2 loads. Man, I lost $3,000 dealing with that last load, that load from hell, because my Monday pickup was about 15, my Tuesday pickup was about 15. Now that's just total revenue. That ain't the breakdown and my cut and everything, but still, total revenue for the week makes and breaks my profit line. So yeah, man, I lost money on the load from last week. So now I'm booking what's available, what's left, day of. I don't never be booking day of. Normally I got everything lined up at least a day before. Wham bam. When I leave one, I'm going straight to the next one. I know where I'm going. I'd already pre-planned. But today, I wasn't even sure I was gonna get unloaded on the last load. So I'm sitting basically with my phone on standby, about to call the next load this load here that I'm picking up, and let them know, hey man, I can't make it. Bro, you know how dissatisfying that is to make that call. For one, I'm losing money, and for two, it's like when we book a load, we commit to these loads, and when you don't, run the load that you committed to, man, to me that's just a bad feeling, a bad taste that's left. So this run should take approximately 5 hours, but I ain't gonna even run all the way there. I'm gonna probably stop in Effingham, Mount Vernon. Hold on, Effingham. Yeah, I know Effingham got some good truck stops. So it's way more parking. Like if I'm ever passing through Effingham and I know it's time to stop, man, you got like 4 big truck stop parking lots, not little truck stop parking lot. I'm talking about big truck stop parking lot. You can drop the trailer. I ain't saying you drop the trailer, but you can drop the trailer, make a little run to Walmart right quick, then get on back, hook back up to your trailer. But don't just drop it and leave it and say Zeke Dawg told you to do that. But yeah, man, you can drop the trailer, run over there to the Walmart, come back, or go out to get something to eat, man. Man, this Effingham is a good shutdown spot if you passing through. If you passing through, Zeke Dawg say stop in Effingham. You won't be wrong. You won't do wrong by stopping there, man. So, oh man, they don't make it easy on your boy. So I'll get that load from hell, which I think it only paid. That may have been a $1,500 load there. And I still ain't got no word on no layover pay. So, man, a lot of y'all gonna say, well, man, it's just trucking. Alright. Fool me once, shame on you. Oh, wife calling, man. Let me answer my phone. Hey, the wife. I'm doing good. Just shooting a little Zeke Dawg video. Nah, you good. I'm finna stop the video now. Alright. I went in and got my hazardous material. I wonder if I got some 12 OTAs in here. No, that's a 2. So, yup, hazardous material. Oh man, because at first they gave me my paperwork and I'm like, I ain't getting no placards, man. I'm thinking, I'm like, this supposed to be a hazmat load. Now, let me show y'all this. Small engine ethanol. I think these are little engines. I got some engines and I got some fuel. So, ethanol free BP small engine fuel. So yeah, there's some small engine fuel, but it works. So, man, I'm trying to get the camera right. Just gonna get my gloves on, put my hat on, and do some work out here. Wait, what I do my? Man, I feel like I've been losing all kind of stuff. Alrighty. Got my gloves on now. Let me stick one of these hazmat placards in here. As cold as it is right now, if I just throw some water on it, it'll freeze up and I know it won't move. Alright. Get this lock and key ready for when I close this door. There we go. I got my seal. Other 2 placards. I probably need to put them little plastic things on here, or at least the ones on the side. Oh, the top is not locked. There we go. Man, this is a bad door. That's why I don't like this trailer. The doors on it is jacked up. Oh, here we go, here we go. I'm finally able to do the lock in the same spot. Oh, that's my seal. So, then too, it keeps the water from getting out of here. Alright, so I'm locked up, sealed up. And the top is locked. Put these placards in the side. And I'm gonna come back and put a cover over these side ones. Make sure I got them upright. Man, these are some hard. Alright, I'm gonna leave that one halfway out so I can come back and fix it right. This tag say, I'm feeling froggy. That may be a her tag. That ain't a manly truck. That's probably, well, you know what? Even some of y'all dudes probably do drive Honda trucks. Man, why is this so different? placards on all 4 sides. I'm gonna put the clear thing on, the clear covers on the other 2, on the 2 outside ones, and we rolling. Alright, dog team, man, this one has actually been a short load. I'm gonna grab one glove because I'm gonna need one hand out to get the placards out easy. But yeah, man, this was a very quick load. I like quick load, on and off, get me in and out. But I don't mind a load that runs a little longer, especially when it pays better or more, or I don't know, more and better. You know, so they told me, you know what? I'd have left the freaking key. So let's go try this again. Yeah, I can't open up nothing without the key. And for sure, I did not bring the key. So I need to do better. With that, let me get the key out. Man, oh man, my truck's so dirty and nasty, but that's just winter. That's just winter filth. It's like, it's super hard to keep a truck clean in the winter. Like, you would probably have to get it washed about every 2 days just to even try to keep it clean. Alright, everything's still in the same place, which is always good. There we go. So they told me to put the paperwork and the seal in here and bag on up to this dock. There we go, dock number 3. That's how we gonna be. Actually a pretty decent sized building, man. It got like several docks all around the building. Yeah, I tell I watch a lot of movies with good 3D sound. You go to the movies and little ball bounce around and be like, oh, around you. I'm like, yeah, about to watch me a good movie today. Alright. Wait till I hear my beeps, everything. With diesel, you can't just turn the key like a car. You gotta put the key in, turn it, wait a little while, hear the beeps and everything going. Then you it's safe to crank it. Stuff has to prime in order to get the diesel fired up right. So kiss the dock. Almost in there. Like I be getting close. I ain't gonna lie, I done ran into some docks before and we're like, did I tear the whole trailer up? You know what I forgot to do that I still didn't do? Take the freaking thing off the door. I probably can't get it. I probably can't get it now, but ooh, dirty snow. Might clean these boots off pretty good. I can't get to it. I'll wait till I pull out the dock and remove it. So that's why I need my hand free. You know what? Let me go back in here and warm up for a second, then I'm gonna come back out and do it. All right, man, that got me unloaded. I was sitting here trying to see if I was gonna book another load or just head on over to Indianapolis for my conference, the PROC biker conference. It's a national event they hold every year. But no, I think I'm just gonna go on over there. Yeah, I left my strap in here. Not forget to take this one out. That's why I left the gloves off my hands. So I can get this one out. A lot of the ice that fell off my trailer. Okay, barely had enough to make it, but I made it. Alright, top and bottom is closed and secure. Not a successful delivery, man. So appreciate y'all checking out these videos, man. Like, share, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, and join the Dawg team. So until the next time, baby, keep it trucking.